Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss few more line commands of SEU, and for the same, I have created one program, that is program one, that we will use for the demonstration. So now I will open this program in edit mode by taking option 2. So these are some commands that we will discuss in today's session. So first command is RP. So when we use RP command, whenever suppose if you wanted to repeat any particular line of your source, then in that case we use the RP command. So it mainly repeat that line, the selected line. So here on line number 28, if I take RP and hit enter, so it will repeat the line. So now on line number 29 I have another line that is the same as line number 28. So basically it repeats the selected line. If I want to repeat the text to line, uh, so what I will do, I will write RP and then hit enter, so it will repeat the line. So that's how RP command works. Now another command for RP is RN. So what it will do, it will repeat the line n number of times. Okay. So RPN command, it's RPN. RPN command mainly repeat the line n number of times. So what I will do, I will write here RP3 or RP4. So once I hit enter, it will repeat the line n number of times. So that's how it will work. So this is mainly RPN, not RN, it's RPN. Okay. After that we have another option. Suppose the requirement is that we want to repeat the any block of code, so for that we will use RPP. So if I want to repeat from line number 37 to line number 39, so what I will do, I will put it into one block, that is RPP and then hit enter, so it will repeat the entire block. Another command for RP is RPPN. So what it will do, it will copy the block and repeat n number of time. So I will do RPPN here, RPPN, in place of n I will put 5. So it will repeat my block 5 times, and then on line number 37 I will end this block, so RPP 5. And now once I hit enter, it repeated the entire block 5 times. So that's how it works. So these are the repeat command. Now we will see exclude command. So what exclude command will do, suppose if you want to exclude any particular line from your source, so for that we will use x command. So just put x on the line, that particular line, and then hit enter, so it will exclude that record. So if I want to exclude line number 31, so I will put x and hit enter. So that's how it, here we can see that it shows one data record excluded. So that's how exclude command works. Now the second option for exclude command is xn. So what it will do, it will exclude n number of lines. So if I put xn, in place of n I will use 4, so it will exclude 4 record. So I will hit enter from the selected line. So once I hit enter, we can see that 4 data records is excluded. Now another option we have is XX. So it is mainly for excluding a block. So if I want to exclude the block from line number 45 to line number 50, so just put XX on 45 and 50 and then hit enter. So it will block exclude the entire block. So these are the exclude command that we can use for editing. Now another option, another command is roll command. So what it will do, suppose right now my cursor is on line number 3. Now I want to shift my member one record forward. So for that I will write plus here and then hit enter. So it will take me to the one record below to the one record forward. So if I take plus again, so it will take me to line number 5. So what it will do, it will roll the member forward to the one line forward. Okay. Now suppose I want to forward my n number of lines. So for that what we'll do, will we will do plus 5. So it will take 5 line forwards. It will take the member 5 line forwards. So that's how the plus command works. Now we will see if the requirement is that we want to roll the member backward. So in that case, if I put minus on line number 10, so it will take me one line backward. If I take again on line number 9, so it will take one line backward. Mainly it is taking the member one line backward. Now if I want to take my member n number of line backwards, so for that what I will do, I will write n minus n in place of n, then whatever the number of line you want to repeat, just put that. So for now I'm taking minus 5, so it will take 5 line backward. So these are the command. Repeat command is for repeating the line. Exclude command is mainly for excluding the line, and roll command, the plus and minus command is for moving your member forward or backward for n number of lines. So for this session, that's the only thing I wanted to share with you all. So in upcoming session, we will see a few more topics of RPGLE and AS400. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.